Good morning, everyone. Now, you may be expecting to see Mr. Boot for one of his lovely assemblies today, but as you can see, I am not Mr. Boot. My name is Mrs. Bates, and I am the new teacher here at Wincham. I am Woodpecker's new class teacher and the Key Stage 2 Assistant Headteacher as well. I'm really pleased that Mr. Boot has given me the opportunity to introduce myself to you. Now, this week's theme is all about excellence, focusing on people who have inspired us. I'm going to share my screen with you now. So that you can see a cartoon. Now, you might recognise some of the famous faces on this cartoon here. The word inspire means to fill someone with the urge or ability to do or feel something. Other words for inspire are awaken, encourage and ignite. Now, let me show you some photographs. I think that all of these people are inspirational figures. But my question to you is, do you recognise any of them? If you can, then pause the video here and have a discussion with a grown-up. Well, how did you get on? I wonder if you recognise Mo Farah. Mo Farah was born in Somalia, and he is probably best known for winning gold medals in both the 5,000 and 10,000 metre races at the 2012 London Olympics and the 2016 Rio de Janeiro Olympics. Mo and his twin brother Hassan were two of 6 children. His violent conflict in Somalia drove the Farah family from their home in Mogadishu in 1990. The twin brothers and a sister went to live with a grandmother in neighbouring Djibouti. When Mo was 8, however, he was separated from Hassan and sent with 2 younger brothers to join their father in London. Mo arrived in London with no knowledge of English, but with a love for football, which he expected to pursue. Instead, he was steered at age 11 towards running by his sports teacher. Mo finished 9th in his English school's cross-country championships in 1996, but he did not give up training. And the next year he won the race, taking the first of 5 school titles. With hard work and perseverance, he accomplished great things. He is an inspiration to everyone who is passionate about sport. You might have recognised David Attenborough from the programmes that he has made on the television. His full name is Sir David Frederick Attenborough. He grew up in Leicester, where I was born, and he was fascinated by natural history and animals from a very young age. He has made many television programmes about animals and natural history, such as Blue Planet and A Life on Our Planet. He passionately believes in saving the planet and preventing global warming. David Attenborough is an inspirational figure to those who love nature, animals, protecting our planet, and standing up for what they believe in with respect and integrity. Another gentleman who has inspired many around the world is Nelson Mandela. When he was born, Nelson Mandela was called Rolihlahla. His name means to pull a branch off a tree. His teacher gave him the nickname Nelson on his first day at school. When he was growing up in South Africa, white people had more rights than black people. Nelson believed that everybody should be treated the same. He campaigned for change, but he was put into prison for 27 years. When he left prison, Nelson Mandela wasn't angry. He wanted peace. In 1994, aged 77, Nelson Mandela became the first black president of South Africa. I wonder if you recognise Saint Teresa. Well, Mother Teresa, as she was originally known, is remembered as an incredibly selfless person who wanted to help those less fortunate than herself. In 2016, Pope Francis recognised Mother Teresa as a saint. Now, after looking at these inspirational people, I wonder, could you be inspirational and extraordinary? Whoever you are and whoever you want to be, I would like to help you decide how you will be extraordinary too. You can be an artist, scientist, medic, environmentalist, musician, writer, or politician. There are many ways to be extraordinary and to make a real difference in the world. We are all capable of achieving remarkable things during our lifetime, but you don't have to become an Olympic athlete like Mo to be considered phenomenal. We are all extraordinary in our own way. I have found 10 ways to be extraordinary, and we can follow these every day. We can be encouraged by the people who we have learnt about today. The first one is be kind. The smallest act of kindness can make such a big difference. Smile at someone, give them a compliment, listen to what they're saying, really listen. Number 2, be compassionate. Can you put yourself in someone else's shoes and see the world through their eyes? If you can, then this is called empathy. Think, what do they need? How can I help? Then turn this into action. When it is safe, you could do something for the community. Donate toys, clothes, or food. Help raise money for a cause you believe in. This lady is called Wangari Maathai. She started by planting 7 seedlings just outside Nairobi in Kenya. She inspired a worldwide project to plant billions of trees. Think big, but take tiny steps. They all add up. Number 3, be brave. Maybe you feel like you don't know how to do something and you worry about what other people will say. But it's okay. Remember, you don't know how to do it yet. Start with one small brave thing, then another, then another. I'm sure that Mo Farah was brave standing on the starting line of his races. Number 4, believe in something. It's okay to stand up for what you believe is fair. Stand up for the planet just like David Attenborough. That doesn't mean being loud or rude. You can stand up for what you believe and still be gentle and respectful. Number 5, follow your dreams. You might love words, you might love numbers, you might love music or sport. You might love all of these or something completely different. Find something that excites you, something you enjoy. Work at it and see where it takes you. Number 6, know that it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. It's how we grow. It's part of doing something new. Think of all the times you fell off your bike before you were able to ride it successfully. Number 7, persevere. Things won't always go your way. You might not always reach your goal. All you can do is do your best. Stay flexible, stay strong, and keep going. Number 8, ask questions. This is such an incredible world, and there's so much to learn, so much to understand. The most remarkable discoveries ever made all began with a question. Number 9, create something, anything. Draw, paint, write, make something. And number 10, know that you are not alone. Being extraordinary isn't about doing everything by yourself. The most extraordinary people in the world have worked with other people to do amazing things. So, now let us return to the beginning. Out of all the people that we have learnt about today, who is going to be your inspiration? Is there someone in your life now who inspires you to be the best you can be? Which one of the 10 ways to be extraordinary are you going to try today or tomorrow? It was lovely talking to you today. Thank you so much for listening carefully. Bye-bye.